Hey everybody, welcome back and welcome if you're new. My name is Kimi. In today's video we are doing a clean and bake with me. So this video is also in collab with my friend Bethany Barber. She's also going to be doing a clean and bake with me, and I believe she's making some cookies. Valentine's Day is Sunday or Saturday, I don't know which day it is, but we have some ideas for you for Valentine's Day. So I'm going to be making pancakes out of brownie mix, and she's going to be making cookies. So if you have not watched Bethany's video yet, then at the end of this video, follow that link down below. Go check out her channel. She also lives in a mobile home. She does mommy videos, cleaning videos, cooking videos, baking videos. She does a lot of stuff. She's a lot of fun to watch too. She is actually my friend, so if you ever see me collab with someone, know that we have a real friendship behind YouTube. And yeah, we're just gonna jump into this. If you are coming over from Bethany's channel, hi. I live in a mobile home and I do mostly cleaning and decorating videos, and then every now and then I do a video like this where we clean and cook something. So let's go ahead and get into the cleaning. Also, my husband cooked breakfast this morning, so I'm not cleaning that up because I'm gonna eat it after I clean up this kitchen.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. My hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. Best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. Ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling.
Y'all, so now on to the baking portion. I don't know if I said it earlier, but my oven went out the other day, so I'm going to turn these brownies into pancakes, which I think will be a lot of fun. So this is the Supreme Chocolate Chunk Brownie Mix from Betty Crocker, And you just need oil, 1 egg, and water, and then just mix them up. I also got these cute Hershey Kisses to put on the tops of the pancakes, and instead of using syrup, we're going to use cupcake icing, and it comes with a lot of different little nozzles to put on there, so this is going to be so much fun. So I went ahead and added oil to my pan, and I have that on medium as I'm going to mix this brownie mix. But this brownie mix, all you need is 1/4 cup water, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 egg. And if I have leftovers, I think what I can do is just freeze these and have them for like the next morning for breakfast. So let me know in the comments, have y'all ever taken brownie mix and turned it into pancakes? Because I didn't know that was a thing until I looked up online to see what I could do with my brownie mix. And it seems like a lot of people do make these into pancakes. I added a little bit more water to mine than it calls for, so it could be more of a pancake mixture. And now I'm excited to see how this turns out. We're doing this together for the first time. I've never done this before. Hopefully it turns out good. Alright, I'm going to wait till they start creating little bubbles on the top, and then I'm going to flip them. I don't know who told me that. I think it was my nanny may have said that how you know when your pancakes are done is when you start seeing bubbles on the top of them, and then you can flip it over. And then when I flip it over, I'm going to go ahead and start placing the little Hershey Kisses, and I cannot wait to decorate these. This would be so fun to do with kids, by the way. Okay, so this one's kind of ugly looking. I added flour to it. I don't know if that's what I was supposed to do, but we're going to turn this into a success and not a failure. So I'm taking this little top right here, and I'll just break off the ugly bits. And then I'll have a cute little pancake right there. I'll show y'all in a minute what it looks like. Alright, so while this one's still hot, I'm going to go ahead and decorate it with my little Hershey Kisses. Put it right there in the middle, and it will melt a little. This would be the fun part for kids, because they could actually like help decorate their own little pancakes. Or if your oven works, you can use. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and decorate this little pancake, and I'm going to use this one right here. It just kind of looks like it's going to come out like a star. It's going to have some lines to it, so that's the one I'm going to use. Definitely a fail. I swear every time I do some kind of cook or bake with me, it turns out as a failure, but I don't care. I think it's still fun. So this is mine, little mini pancake brownie, and I piped all the little piping on it. I don't know, I mean, it's gonna taste good, that's for sure. You don't want to know what my other pancake looks like in the stove right now. But I also have some sprinkles, so I'm going to put those on there. Alright, here she is. Done! I cut it in half and I added the sprinkles so it would look cuter, but the real test is, does it taste good? I'm about to let y'all know. Okay, taste test. I feel like this is going to be a sugar overload. Okay, ready? Okay. Good, yes. Too much icing? Oh yeah. I should just put some more drops on it, but honestly, I still want more. It actually tastes like a cookie. Like one of those, you know, you get at the store, the big cookie, and it has icing around it. They normally have them on like special occasions. That is what this tastes like to me. Oh my gosh. There you have it. Anyways, share with me your baking fails down below. Also, next time I try to do pancakes as brownies, I'm going to go off of a recipe online, not just try to use the brownie mix as pancake mix, because it's not the same. Anyways, I hope y'all have enjoyed this video. I have a comment to read off, and don't forget, if you have not seen Bethany's video, be sure to go check it down below, because I am really confident that her baking skills are 100% better than mine. Alright, so comment of the day goes to AM. This was on my mobile home tour, the newest one I did. It says, "Hi Kimmy, I'm a new subscriber. Welcome. This is my first video, but I love your sweet demeanor and you give off good energy. God bless you. Own your home. It feels very inviting and warm, a place where you would feel comfortable curling up on a chair or at the kitchen area, and isn't that the most important thing in a home? For it to feel welcoming and warm. You accomplished that. God bless." I love that comment because it is true. If your home feels warm and inviting and comfortable for you, then you did something right. So I love all of your comments. Y'all are leaving so many here lately. I'm still managing to at least heart, and I try my best to comment on every single one of them. But I do want to say thank you so much for watching this video. If you did like it, of course, do all the things if you want to. You never have to, but it does help out my channel a lot when y'all engage in the videos. But that is it for me. Epic fail. Epic fail. I mean, it still tasted good, but yeah, baking and cooking in general are just like not my best friends sometimes. I have those staple meals that I cook all the time, like taco salad, and I do that because I know I can do it. Anyways, I will see y'all back here tomorrow for a Q&A video. So if you had asked any questions on the community tab, make sure you are here tomorrow at 5 p.m. Eastern, because that is when I will answer those questions. So thank y'all for watching. Have a great day. Bye. Hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done.